There are three extremely hard things: steal, a diamond, and to know oneself. Self knowledge or self awareness is the starting point and the basic requirement of self acceptance and self esteem. The more you know and understand yourself, who you are, and how and why you think and feel the way you do, the more capable you are of making better decisions in every area of your life. Recent surveys of older people, and especially those who have passed the 100-year mark, asked what they would have done differently if they could live their lives over again. Their answers were quite consistent. The first thing these older people said was that they would have taken more risks and tried more things. They would not have played it safe so much, but would have ventured into new jobs, activities, and relationships. They would not have been so concerned with the possibility of failure or of the criticism of the people around them. They would have taken more chances. The second most common answer was that they would have worried less. Instead of being continually preoccupied with money matters, health, family situation, and work concerns, they would have been more relaxed and realized that many of their most pressing concerns eventually resolved themselves and were not important at all. The third and most important common response of older people looking back on their lives was that they would have taken the time to stop and think more about what was really important to them. They would not have allowed themselves to become so busy and so caught up in life for so many years that they never thought about what they really wanted. In looking back, they saw that almost everything they had done was a response or reaction to the demands of another person or situation. Other people's decisions and demands had largely shaped their lives. The sad fact is that we often become so busy with our daily lives that we seldom take the time to stop the clock completely and just think quietly about who we really are inside and what we really want for ourselves. If you don't take time to think, to analyze your life and your situation, you will often make hasty decisions that lead to unhappy outcomes. The rule is that people's decisions, job decisions, and financial decisions made quickly are usually wrong decisions. Remember, the hurrier I go, the behinder I get. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it.